We've got into Baluga. Now let's explore the area. The Baloga has many fields of beautiful flowers, but in this field, they shape it to look like something. Let's head in and see what shapes they create. I had an awesome time here at Baloga in Batu City. We looked at a lot of beautiful flowers, watched the flower parade, but now it's time to head back home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Traveling in Indonesia. See you next time. If you're not already a subscriber, please make sure to smash the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.